Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. I would like to thank all of my Patreons for your outstanding support and encouragement. It really does help me make these videos possible. All right, on the day after Christmas, let's take a look at the areas that the drone will be visiting today around Giga Texas. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. Not a lot of activity out on the site today, so we'll take the opportunity to visit some areas that we don't normally see and fly a little bit lower as well. The weather was great, 40 degrees, not too much wind, perfect skies. As I said, we'll take a look at the far north, the east, south, and then we'll work our way to the southwest. Here are some of the images that we'll be looking at. You'll see some of the Department of Transportation material equipment up to the north, some of the areas to the north, and the contractor area off to the east. Then we'll look at the southwest area and the west area, a place that we haven't looked at in a little while. As you see, not much activity. It hasn't really changed in the last couple of weeks, but the upper left you see what's in the far southwest, and then the area in the bottom right is the area sort of just west of the highway. Then we'll come over and we'll look at some special deliveries that were happening today. I don't know what it is, but you can see on the truck here, but it was a lot of that shiny steel with a diamond print on it, and it looks sort of like stairs or steps, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. So if you know, let me know. We'll also look at the small steel structure and the footings around that area. We'll work our way over to the central part of the foundation. Something I noticed before, and I'm pointing out here, is that there's some interesting footings, and it looks almost like wall bases that they're putting, and it happens to be on that line that you see with the exterior edge of that strengthened foundation point, and again, where that central road area was. So kind of curious what's going on there. Then we look at the concrete structure, just get some close-ups that we haven't seen before, work our way up to where the zippered pit is. We'll take some very low-level shots of that just to give everybody a chance to see what it looks like on a non-busy day. And as you can see, we get down to about, 10 or 15 feet, and we look at those footings and some of the area where it looks like a slab's going to be put in. Then we'll work our way up and look at where the casting machines are going to go, the concrete columns. And again, there's 5 of them up. 2 more are getting ready to go. And as you can see with this close-up, we were down, again, about 15 feet or so, give or take, off the ground to see some close-ups. And then finally, we take a look at the big steel structure. We take some good, long, low-level shots and some other shots right off the top of the roof. And also just give you some idea to see what it looks like as if you were there in person. So again, I hope that you enjoy this tour around the site and that you all had a great Merry Christmas, and appreciate you watching. Okay, my drones are fully charged and they are ready. Let's go flying over Giga Texas.